How to add contacts on your Telegram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add contacts on your Telegram account. So first of all, open your Telegram app. Now once you've opened Telegram app, tap on the pencil icon which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now you will be taken to this page. So again, if you look at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a little plus icon, so simply tap on it. Now it will take you to the add contact page, and now here you'll have to enter the first name and the last name of the contact you want to add, and after that choose their country or region, and finally enter their phone number. So let's do all of that. Now once you've entered all of the details, simply tap on the little tick icon on the top right corner of the screen, and there you have it. You have successfully added a contact on your Telegram account. So that is basically how you add contacts on your Telegram. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.